Welcome to webproco.com. In this session, we are going to cover how to add, modify, or remove users in WordPress. There are several different user roles that control what actions a user can perform within WordPress. These roles are defined according to the WordPress.org website as: a blog owner can manage and allow access to such functions as writing and editing posts, creating pages, defining links, creating categories, moderating comments, managing plugins, managing themes, and managing other users. WordPress has 5 predefined roles: administrator, editor, author, contributor, and subscriber. Each role is allowed to perform a set of tasks called capabilities. There are many capabilities, including publishing posts, moderating comments, and editing users, to name a few. The administrator role is allowed to perform all possible capabilities. Each of the other roles has a decreasing number of allowed capabilities. A further description and list of the capabilities for each role is beyond the scope of this tutorial. You can find further information on the WordPress.org website. Now let's go over how to actually create and define these user roles. Once you have logged into your administration dashboard, click on the Users link in the left column. This will bring you to the User Management screen. It will list all users previously created. By default, WordPress creates an administrator role when WordPress is first installed, and you will notice that this role is already listed. You cannot remove the default administrator role, but you can edit some of its settings. To edit this admin profile, hover over its username, in this case admin, and you will see an edit link appear below it. Click on the edit link or the admin name. Both will take you to the screen which allows you to edit the user profile. Here you can set the admin interface color and keyboard shortcut settings. You can also change the username, display name, contact info, and bio for this user. Since this is the default admin user, you cannot change the role of the user, but you will be able to change the role of any users you manually create. Now let's go over how to create a new user. Click on the Add New link in the user's navigation box over in the left column. To create a new user, there are 7 fields you can fill out, but only 4 of them are required. The required ones are the username, which must be unique from any other previously created user, the email, password, and user role. Hints are provided for how to create a password that is sufficiently strong. There is also a strength indicator field, which will display a strength message as you enter in your password. This box will also tell you if you have not typed in the same password both times. You can also enter a first and last name and a website for this new user, but those fields are not required. Once you have entered in all of the required fields, click on the Add User button. This will take you to a screen that lists the user you have just created. You can edit or delete the user from this screen if you want to. To do this, just hover over the username and click on the Edit or the Delete button link that displays below it. To view all of the users, click on the Back to All Users link or the Users link in the left column. Once you click on either of these links, you will be taken back to the User Management screen, and you will notice the new user you just created listed along with all of the previously created ones, including the default admin account. You can edit or delete users from this screen at any point in the future. To delete a user, just hover over the username and click on the delete link that appears below the username. Remember, you cannot delete the default admin user, so a delete link will not appear below that user's name. After clicking on the delete link, you will be brought to a screen that will ask you what should be done with any posts or links owned by the user you are deleting. You can either delete all posts or links owned by this user, or you can change them to be assigned to a different user listed in the drop-down box. Unless you have a good reason to delete all of the posts and links owned by this user, it is usually best to just assign them to a different user. Once you have made this selection, click on the Confirm Deletion button. Once you click on the Confirm Deletion button, the user will be removed for good. There is no way to recover this user, and you will not be prompted to confirm this deletion. So make sure you definitely want to remove this user before clicking the Confirm Deletion button. You will then be brought back to the User Management screen, and you will see that the user you just removed is no longer listed. This covers how to add, edit, and remove users in WordPress. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. To watch more WordPress tutorial videos or to learn more about our WordPress auto installer, visit our website at webproco.com. Thanks, and see you there.